Ooh, donuts.
There they are, they're going fast.
There's two things we need to do this morning. One is the opening club ceremony, and the other is we're going to do a renaming of this boat that I'm standing on. Although the club has been around for 60 years this year, I think this is only about the fourth year that we've actually done an opening club ceremony. The Fairwind and the 2026 season. Cheers!
Cheers!
Great rulers of the seas and the winds, we now present this vessel to be known henceforth as Seahawk. May she sail safely and happily for many years to come.